Hello, welcome to all on Aadhaar Academy. Let's continue discussion on the gyroscopic couple. Let's do a few problem based on the stability of the naval ships. So here we have a question, and the question says turbine rotor of a ship having mass 20 kg and it rotates at a speed of 3000 rpm and the radius of gyration 0.3 meter, and when someone looking from the aft side of the naval ships, so there is sense of the rotation in the clockwise. So we have to find the gyroscopic couple in three different cases. Case number one, when the ship it is making a left turn in a radius of 300 meter at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. And in the second case, when it pitches with a bow rising at an angular velocity of 1 radian per second, and in third case when it is rolling at an angular velocity of zero point 0.1 radian per second. So in all three cases we have to find what is the magnitude of the gyroscopic couple. So let us do one by one. So let us start from case 1. So case 1, that is when it is making a left turn. So let's draw its top view of the ship. So this is the top view of the ship. This is the transverse axis and this is your longitudinal axis. Aft means it is the rear side of the naval ship. So this side we have a aft, and from here someone looking, so this will be your direction of view. So this is your direction of view. Here we have a rotor. This is rotor, and this sense of this rotor it is given in the clockwise direction. So this it is in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. So gyroscopic couple, straightforward from using the formula. So C will be I times of omega into omega P. This is equation number 1. Find out the values. I, mass moment of inertia. So I will be m. I will be your m k square. So this m k square. So mass is given 200 kg. Radius of gyration 0.3 meters. So it is 0.3 square. So it will be 0.09 and multiply by 200. So it will give you 18 kg meter square. So this is the value of I. Omega, angular speed, angular velocity of the rotor. Omega will be twice pi n over 60. Substitute the values, twice pi and n. Rotation it is 3000 rpm. 3000 over divided by 60. You simplify, so this will be cancel out. 6 5s are 0. So this will come out 100 pi. That means 314 radian per second. So this is the angular velocity of the rotor. Let's find the angular velocity of precision, omega p. So it's making a turn. So it's moving on a circular path, left turn, and the radius of this particular path is given. Radius it is 300 meter and the velocity is 30 kilometer per hour. So v 30 kilometer per hour. So convert into meter per second. So this will be 30 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is the first v, and r it is 300 meters. So substitute here. So omega v over r, so it is equal to 30 into 5 upon 18, and r, so r it is 3000. Simplify, so this will be 10, 5 2s, so it will come out 1 over 36 radian per second. So this is the precision angular velocity. So from equation 1 So we have calculated one by one all these values. So from equation 1, the C will be I. So I it is 18, omega it is 314, and omega P 1 over 36. You simply calculate this value, 18 2 za, so this will come out 152 Newton meter. So this will be first part, that is the gyroscopic couple when it is making left turn. So let us look what will be its effect. So to see the effect, let us first draw the spin vector. So from here, in this, that from rear side of the naval ships, this rotor it is rotating in clockwise direction. That means spin vector will be on positive x-axis. So positive x-axis, in this direction we have a spin vector on positive x-axis. इधर से देख रहे हैं clockwise rotate हो रहा है, so sense will be towards the positive x side, and the precision will be on vertically left side, so precision will be on y-axis. So on y-axis precision, so gyroscopic couple that will come out on z-axis. So for gyroscopic couple, rotate the spin vector in the direction of precision by 90, that is towards positive y, towards negative z, sorry, this is your x, this is your negative z, make it opposite, so it will comes on the positive z side. So on this axis z we have a reactive gyroscopic couple, and the sense will be like this, outward side mein, so sense will be anti-clockwise looking from the front. So that means this front portion, that means bow, that will go upside, and aft, or the rear side of the wheel, rear side of the ships, that will go downside. So that is the effect. बो वो ऊपर की साइड जाएगा, एंड द रियर साइड ऑफ द naval ship that will go downside. Let us look the second part. Second part में क्या calculate करना है? तो in the second part, again second part में it is the pitching of the ship. So for the pitching we have to draw its front view. So let this is the front view of the ship. This is the axis, transverse axis. This is your rotor. Again, the velocity of precision it is given. Bow rises, so first front portion it goes the upside. So ऊपर की side जा रहा है in this. So this is your rising bow, and the angular speed it's given omega p 1 radian per second. So straightforward, we need not to calculate omega p. So c will be I into omega p. Substitute I is 18, omega this is 314, and omega p it is 1 radian. So it will come 5652 Newton meter. Let us look what its effect. So again, draw spin vector. So spin vector will be on positive x-axis in the previous case as we have drawn. So this is your spin axis. Now the precision will be on z axis, sorry, precision vertically upward, so precision will be on your z axis. So precision will be on z axis, vertically upward जा रहा है, so that means on positive negative z side, z dash. For reactive gyroscopic couple, this is your spin vector, rotate this spin vector vertically by 90 degree, that means positive z, make it opposite, so that means negative y side. So this will be your y dash, and this will be your axis of reactive gyroscopic couple, and the sense will be looking from the top, it will be clockwise. So clockwise means the ship will move towards looking from the top, sense is clockwise, that means it will move towards the starboard side. So यहाँ पे क्या है, ये साइड कौन सा है, दिस इज योर starboard side, starboard, and this one is your port side. From the top, this is your starboard side and this is your port side. From the top, sense is clockwise, that means it will bend towards the starboard sides. So pitching, in the case of pitching, the ship will move towards starboard side, and because of steering, the bow will rise upside. So if you combine, let us first take the third case. So in the third case, it is the rolling of the ship. So in the rolling of ship, as we all know, this is your pitching. In the case of rolling, we have a, so in the case of spin rolling, this will be your spin vector, and looking from the rear side, so again your precision will be also on the same direction, or it is along the spin vector, precision vector. So as spin vector and precision vector both are parallels, so as precision and spin both are parallel to each other, so that is why in this case we do not have any effect of gyroscopic couple. So इस केस में gyroscopic couple डेवलप नहीं होगा. So we do not have any effect of gyroscopic couple. So in that way we analyze the motion of the navel. So the combined effect will be what will be combined effect. So in the first case we have a rising bow, and in the second case it is moving towards the starboard side. So we combine the effect. So combining effect will be rising bow moves towards starboard side. So starboard side. So that will be your net effects. Rising bow because of steering, and it is moving towards the starboard side because of the pitching of the naval ships. So in that way we analyze or we calculate various parameters involved in the motion of the naval ships. Thank you.